put for come on the internet. Any blood clot where I look at the warm. I'm rough, I'm tough, I'm a bad and blood clot, mighty power to the queen. Move on a dirty blood clot. When I have to beg man for buying a Brazilian here and for makeup and eyelash and feel justified. Any blood clot, all of me look like my blood clot me is this. I love myself in any situation I mean, you know. And when I'm ready, I'm suited and booted and bag, designer shoes, royal jewelry, necklace, using eyelash, full of blood clot hotness. Moving a dirty blood clot. More look like a cross right now. To have a cat smile. You can't impress nobody down at this blood clot. Me also the government say the less clothes you can wear, don't get better with fear and walk with water. I say every walk me take one bucket of water with it myself. I don't know when I told a lady in the hospital give me that clothes I wear my have it on, a friend win some. And I pray and do. And she said, Queenie, God love you. Everything will take you joke. Then the woman have a piece of devotion I want in the Ivan. I'm a friend of little pin in the hospital too, you know. She named Christina, I gave her my number. She had 12. One little special need pin. I do on tea for them, so oh God. Would I want more home and get bare special need kids and I love them. You know, Queenie, shut up. You know, special need kids, they are very loving. Move your dirty blood clot. Great. And leave me alone. I'm supposed to march a young boy and keep my blood clot active. Yes, that's part of the RAS clot activeness. So when you're old and leave, young boy keep your blood clot active and prioritize the amount of blood clot problem then get to post clot. Move your blood clot and leave when it's ready for get by me smile. So ready, you just come on the life, come just see you. But me start over about my argument again. So ready, so you don't know somebody I lie down and I say, bumbo clot. Me have some sweet tune I will play upon the radio in a Cool FM, because my mother stuck already upon Cool FM, you know. So when you hear all of my music, you know, hear them, remember them till you come up Jamaica, you know. But tell them, look for me, I sweat. It's all Jamaica, watch it. I sweat that, you know. It's pure sweat, you know, watch it. Healthy. In the morning sun. We're going to hear them through their Cool FM. You should know. Woo! Woo! Wonderful! And then it's beautiful. Yes, so I got me then all of eyes and I hear the sweet through them. My sister, I get back my smile. How when me there at the hospital, me fret, you know. I'm going to get the back of olive oil. I make my mother pray over it. My mom. I say my mother want to pray over this. And my mom pray over it. I'm going to feel to some of the hospital, I say. So this morning now, me hear the sweet music them for Cool FM up there, white, all of eyes. And I say, bumbo clap, I'm going to make me real crazy them system and get back my smile. I say, I come live. My face will come back with you. Yes, I say, I come live now. I say, bumbo clad, Queenie. When me look them start trouble me. So, this is if you don't want to trouble me. I hope when me trouble back on a dirty blood clot and I can't take it. Move on a dirty blood clot and leave me. When me crazy excited, I'm excited for life. I'm a picture where dead I'm gone. I live for me and she live and see me excited and crazy. I make she dead and see me seeing blood clot. Now I forgot kill me dirty blood clot and where? I drugs enough to wait for now. Go to Gatwick. Eat through all of the airport them and tell them to me I look flight. I'm going to bring 1 jeep load of drugs and 1 jeep load of blood clot will be come from the dirty blood clot. You know, look over here. It's that Jeep load that may bring up phone. Anybody forget black? When I first make me eat face ill. I mean, take a toll for myself. Our life take a toll for me. You need to take a toll for yourself. Don't watch my toll. Because when you go to the toll, if you don't have no money for pay through the toll, you can't go through the toll. So you can't watch my toll where whatever take toll for me. Go look what take toll for you, allow blood clots. You know, where? Blood clot, vampires, silver blood clot. It's me ready for no nasty blood clot for put my phone up in my battle and suck on a blood clot through my battle. That's why them over my face. Alright, Trudy, you have a get black. Thank you. Yeah, your mama over my face, Trudy. Bye now. Over my face, I have black the right person. Wait. Trudy, full force. That's why them over your face. Alright, Trudy, you know who over my face? Yeah, your mother over my face, Trudy. You will get black. Big barrel, I wonder if I for black that. Big barrel, yeah. I think you forget black. Rude. Your mama pussy tongue was a big barrel and it rolled down the blood. Golly. You don't care my black, you not my black you. Thank you. You don't care my black you when me black you, alright? You man don't forget black. It's who else not care about black? That's a tree somebody my black. Anybody else? So come just be rude and then I'll come off of this blood black. Where? Come off of my TV. Still beautiful Queenie, thank you. Anybody else want to get black and come up on their face? Fake face? Black him. Him who forget black? Where name? Why am I sneak up? I sneak up go work. I have booking. Not doing more than I have access. I still have energy. Oh, you feeling? I'm feeling good. You tell me I smile. Alright, nobody else not be rude. Don't, yeah man, I don't allow the half of that man. Make me be rude and rehabilitate myself. Don't see me vulnerable African still on this man. And I'm like, TV, it's rude. It's what the rude of you not, okay? Don't let them give you. Some of them did tell you for black, the man feeling. Black who? The time you know the lady. Black them quest, sneak out. And to be here, I have good skin, I showed. Mr. I love you, see I've sent. Yeah, you know, yeah, me tell you the spirit saying at the hospital, so trust and obey. Come to the ball of great excitement with my dramatic self. And I raise my blood pressure. And the spirit just said, trust and obey. There's no other way than bright like empty fridge. Stop feeling mind cleaning. Just be happy in Jesus. When I see me in here dance a while ago, I make a bumper clot, I get back my smile. Yeah, my skin nice. I'm in a bleach. I always tell them I'm in a bleach. People say I'm a bleach, I'm fool. You look at me fucking bleach too, no? Yeah, any pussy this, my black them. So I live down here now, my love. Love you too, Rockets. Alright, so take care of yourself. Hear the song set.